Hello everyone, I'm Deanne Heckert, Associate Publisher with Modern Luxury. We're here at Chastain Horse Park in Atlanta, Georgia for the Men's Book Holiday event sponsored by Jim Ellis Porsche. We have done so many events with Jim Ellis Porsche, and the GM Doug McIntyre is unbelievable. I have to say this is my favorite event. The red and white cars right out front, the bows on the cars, it makes you realize that Porsche is the perfect gift. Well guys, it's about time for the party to get started. Come on in and join the fun.